Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Daily Lessons.
Hi, everyone. We're really happy that you're here with us today. Thanks for joining another English conversation.
On this channel, we help you practice real, everyday English with slow, clear, podcast-style conversations.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with us, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.
Yes, and don't forget to click the little bell icon so you don't miss our next lessons. It really helps the channel and it helps you keep learning.
All right, today we're going to talk about something fun and very common.
Today's topic is weekend plans, what you do on Saturday and Sunday, how you relax, and how you spend your free time.
So if you want to talk about your weekend in English, this lesson is for you.
Okay, let's get started.
So, how are you today?
I'm doing pretty well, thanks. A little excited because the weekend is coming. How about you?
I'm feeling good too. A little tired, but happy. The weekend always gives me a good feeling.
Yes, me too. I think many people feel different on Fridays.
Exactly. There's that special weekend feeling. What kind of week did you have? Busy or quiet?
This week was busy. Lots of work, many emails, and a few late nights.
Oh, so you really need a good weekend.
Yes, definitely. What about you? How was your week?
My week was mixed. Some days were very busy, and some days were calm. But I'm ready for 2 days of rest.
I think many people watching feel the same.
Yes. And if you're watching this on a weekend, happy weekend to you.
Let's start by talking about last weekend. What did you do?
Okay. Last weekend was nice. On Saturday morning, I slept in.
Slept in. That's a good expression.
Yes. Sleep in means you wake up later than usual. So instead of 6 a.m., I woke up at 9 a.m.
That sounds wonderful.
It was. Then I made a big breakfast, eggs, toast, and fruit. And after that, I did some chores at home.
Chores. Another useful word.
Right. Chores are small jobs you do around the house, like cleaning, doing the dishes, doing laundry, taking out the trash.
So you had a slow, relaxing Saturday morning with some chores.
Exactly. Then in the afternoon, I met a friend for coffee.
Nice. Where did you go?
We went to a cafe near the park. We talked for a long time, and then we took a short walk.
That sounds like a perfect Saturday. What about Sunday?
On Sunday, I stayed at home, read a book, and watched a movie in the evening. It was a very quiet weekend.
That sounds really good.
What about you? What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend was a little more active. On Saturday morning, I went to the supermarket and did my food shopping.
The classic weekend activity.
Yes. After that, I met some friends in the city center. We had lunch together, and then we went to watch a football match.
Oh, live at the stadium?
Yes, live. It was loud and exciting. We shouted a lot.
Did your team win?
Yes, they did, so everyone was very happy. On Sunday, I relaxed more. I cleaned my apartment and cooked a simple dinner.
So your weekend had a mix of fun and responsibilities.
Exactly.
Do you prefer relaxing weekends or busy weekends?
Good question. I think I like one busy day and one quiet day.
That's a nice balance.
On one day, I like to go out, see friends, or do something fun. On the other day, I like to stay in, rest, and maybe watch a movie.
Those are good phrases. Go out and stay in.
Yes. Go out means you leave your house to do something, like go to a cafe, restaurant, park, cinema, or shopping.
And stay in means you stay at home. Maybe you read, watch TV, cook, or just relax.
What about you? Do you like going out or staying in more?
I think I'm somewhere in the middle. Sometimes I love staying in with a good book or a movie, but sometimes I really need to go out and see people, especially after a busy week.
Yes. Being around people can give you energy.
Exactly.
Now, let's talk about next weekend, our weekend plans.
Yes, and you watching can also think, what am I going to do this weekend?
That's right. You can answer in your head as we talk.
So, what are your plans for next weekend?
Next weekend, I'm going to visit my cousin.
Oh, nice.
He lives in a town about 1 hour away, so I'm going to take the train on Saturday morning.
Do you visit him often?
Not very often, maybe once every 2 or 3 months, so it's special when we meet.
What are you going to do together?
We're going to cook dinner at home, maybe watch a movie, and on Sunday we're planning to go hiking.
Hiking! That's a good weekend activity.
Yes, hiking means walking in nature, usually in the mountains or in the countryside. I'm really looking forward to it.
It sounds great. What about you? What are your plans for next weekend?
Next weekend, I'm going to have a home weekend.
Ah, a home weekend.
Yes, I don't have any big plans. On Saturday morning, I'm going to clean the house and do laundry. Then I might bake something.
Bake? Like a cake or cookies?
Yes, maybe a cake. And then in the evening, I'm going to have a movie night at home.
Movie night. I like that. On Sunday, I'm going to meet a friend for a picnic in the park, if the weather is nice.
A picnic is a lovely weekend plan.
Yes, we just bring some food, sit on the grass, and talk. It's simple, but relaxing.
Let's notice some useful phrases for weekend plans that we already used.
Yes, we often say, I'm going to, when we talk about plans.
For example, I'm going to visit my cousin. I'm going to clean the house. I'm going to have a movie night.
We also use the present continuous for plans, like, I'm meeting my friend on Saturday. We're having a picnic on Sunday.
Exactly. Both I'm going to and I'm ing are common ways to talk about future plans.
You can choose the one that feels easier for you for now.
Now, let's imagine we're making weekend plans together.
Okay, let's do a little role play.
Great. I'll start. So, do you have any plans for Saturday evening?
Not yet. Why do you ask?
I would like to go out for dinner.
That sounds nice. What kind of food?
Maybe Italian. There's a new Italian restaurant in the city center.
Oh, I heard about that place. I'd love to try it.
Great. I can make a reservation for 7 p.m.
Perfect. After dinner, we could go for a walk or get some dessert.
I like that plan.
See how we used some useful phrases there?
Yes, we used, do you have any plans for? Would you like to? That sounds nice. I'd love to. I can make a reservation.
These are very natural phrases for making plans with friends. Do you think a weekend should be more about rest or more about doing things?
I think it depends on the week. If my week was very heavy and stressful, then I want a quiet weekend to rest and recharge.
Yes, to recharge your energy.
But if my week was quiet, then I like a more active weekend. Maybe travel to a nearby city, visit family, or try something new.
I feel the same. Sometimes I need a do-nothing day.
A do-nothing day sounds amazing.
That's when you stay in, wear comfortable clothes, watch movies, read, and just relax.
And maybe order some food?
Yes, definitely. If you're watching this, you can think about your own weekends. Do you usually have busy weekends or quiet weekends?
You can even say it out loud. On the weekend, I usually...
For example, on the weekend, I usually stay at home and relax. On the weekend, I usually visit my friends.
You can pause the video and repeat those sentences with your own ideas.
Yes, that's a great way to practice. We used a lot of useful words and expressions in this conversation. Let's do a mini vocabulary review.
Good idea. Let's go over some key words about weekends and plans.
First word, weekend.
The weekend is usually Saturday and Sunday, the days when many people don't work or don't go to school.
Next phrase, sleep in.
To sleep in means to wake up later than normal, especially on a day off.
For example, on Sundays, I like to sleep in.
Next word, chores.
Chores are small jobs you do at home, like cleaning, washing dishes, vacuuming, or doing laundry.
Next pair, go out and stay in.
To go out means to leave your home to do something. Go to a restaurant, cafe, park, or cinema.
To stay in means to stay at home and relax.
Next word, plans.
Your plans are the things you are going to do. For example, I have plans this weekend, or I don't have any plans yet.
Next word, hiking.
Hiking means walking in nature, usually for a longer time, often in the mountains or countryside.
Next word, picnic.
A picnic is when you take food and eat it outside, usually in a park or in nature.
And one more, movie night.
A movie night is a time when you plan to watch one or more movies, maybe with snacks, at home, or at the cinema. Let's say our words one more time.
Weekend.
Sleep in.
Chores.
Go out.
Stay in.
Plans.
Hiking.
Picnic.
Movie night.
Great work. Remember, you don't have to remember everything. Just choose 2 or 3 new words and try to use them this week.
We've talked a lot about weekends today. Let's do a quick summary.
We started by talking about last weekend, what we did, where we went, and how we felt.
Then we talked about different types of weekends, relaxing weekends and busy weekends, going out and staying in.
After that, we shared our plans for next weekend, using phrases like I'm going to and I'm meeting.
We also practiced some useful expressions for making plans with friends, like, do you have any plans for? Would you like to? That sounds nice.
Then we did a vocabulary review with words like weekend, sleep in, chores, go out, stay in, plans, hiking, picnic, movie night.
If you can use these words and phrases, you can talk about your own weekend in English much more easily.
And that's our goal, to help you talk about your real life in English.
Okay, now it's your turn to practice. It's time for our favorite part of the lesson.
The question of the day.
We really enjoy reading your answers in the comments. It helps you practice writing, and it helps our community grow.
Today we have 2 questions for you about your weekend.
Question 1. What did you do last weekend?
Question 2. What are you going to do next weekend?
You can answer like this.
Last weekend, I stayed at home and watched a movie. Next weekend, I'm going to visit my friend.
Or, last weekend, I went shopping and cleaned my house. Next weekend, I'm going to sleep in and have a movie night.
Try to use at least one new word from today, like sleep in, go out, stay in, picnic, or plans.
You can write just 1 or 2 sentences or a longer paragraph. Any practice is good practice.
We read many of your comments, and we love seeing your answers from all around the world.
So please take a moment and write your answer in the comments. Tell us about your last weekend and your next weekend.
Before we go, we want to say thank you for spending this time with us. We know you are busy, and we're very happy that you chose to practice your English with us today.
Yes, thank you so much. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. It really supports the channel.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss our next conversation.
Remember, keep practicing and don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Have a wonderful day and a great weekend.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.